Hi, and thanks to everyone for tuning into my video at Florida Wildlife with Alex. Today we're going to be talking about a commonly domesticated bird called the peacock. Peacock is a generic term for the species of bird called a peafowl. The word peacock refers to an adult male peafowl. A female is called a peahen, and the babies are called peachicks. There are 3 species of peacocks, 2 Indian and 1 African species. The Indian varieties are distinguished by the neck color. A blue neck makes it a blue Indian peacock, and a green neck makes it a green Indian peacock, also known as a Java. White-colored peacocks are called leucistic, not to be confused with albinoism, and are only found in the Indian blue peacock variety. The African peafowl, aka the Congo peafowl, is not as showy as the Indian varieties, but still beautiful in its own right. Peacocks are not picky eaters. They actively hunt insects and arthropods, reptiles, and forage for fruits, berries, grapes, figs, flowers, and will even rummage through gardens. When a peacock gets rained on, they sit with their feathers spaced out to allow airflow between the feathers while still protecting the skin from moisture. Peacocks are one of the most beautiful bird species. When they are courting a female, they spread their feathers far and wide and put them in an amazing pose. However, peacocks are not the best flyers. They are capable of flight for short distances and glide for short distances as well. If you're thinking about raising peacocks on the farm, just consider a few things. Peacocks are loud and have a screeching noise, the males, when courting a female. Also, peacocks are relatively easy to feed. They'll eat anything from grapes, raisins, bananas, crickets, or just chicken scratch. The most common variety of peacock is the Indian blue peacock. The leucistic varieties are not nearly as common, but are some of the most showy of all the peacock varieties. Royalty would eat peacocks and swans as a display of hierarchy or wealth. This peacock is eating some raisins that we fed it. Peacock feathers are very desirable in arts and crafts. They are used for a wide variety of things such as showpieces and tribal masks. Peacocks have some of the largest feathers, some extending almost 3 feet or more in length. Peacocks are known to stay in an area where they have established a food source. This peacock survives on primarily beetles, insects, and grubs from our firewood pile. Also wild grapes, and that's some of the raisins we fed it. God bless America. Thanks for watching. Please press the subscribe button below and tune into other great animal videos.